Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class we have already learnt about capital and small letter G. Capital and small letter G. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letter H. Capital and small letter H. So everyone take out your Grafalco, okay? Open page number 23. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. So kids, let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter H, okay? So tell me, what is this? This is a hat. This is a hat. H for hat. H for hat. Now tell me, what is this? Yes kids? Hen. This is a hen. H for hen. H for hen. Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes kids? This is a picture of hut. This is a picture of hut. H for hut. H for hut. Now everyone take out a pencil, okay, and hold it properly. First we will trace capital letter H. First we will trace capital letter H. So everyone look here. First we have to start from first line. Draw one standing line. Touch it, okay. Then from here you have to draw one sleeping line like this. Then one more standing line. Start from first line. Draw one more standing line. Touch second line. Touch third line. Okay, you have to start from first line. Touch second line and touch third line like this. Capital letter H. One more time kids. Start from first line. Draw one standing line like this. Now you have to draw one sleeping line in between of these standing lines. Okay. Now one more standing line from here. Yes. Like this. You have to start from first line and touch second line, then touch third line like this. This is capital letter H. Capital letter H. Now we will write this letter on dot. Okay. So look here everyone. First draw standing line, one sleeping line, one more standing line like this. Okay. Again kids, draw one standing line, then one sleeping line here on the second line. Okay. Then again you have to draw one standing line like this. So kids, you have to draw this sleeping line in between of these two lines. Okay. One more time kids. Draw one standing line. Touch these lines properly everyone. Then one sleeping line from here like this. Then one more standing line from first line. Okay. Like this. Capital letter H. Capital letter H. Do it again. Start from first line. Draw one standing line, one sleeping line, one more standing line like this. Let's do it one more time kids. Start from first line, draw standing line, touch these lines properly everyone. Okay. One sleeping line on second line, then one more standing line like this. Capital capital letter H, capital letter H. Last time kids, look here everyone. Standing line, sleeping line, like this, one more standing line. Okay, capital letter H, capital letter H, H for hen, H for hen. Now after this we will trace small letter H. We will trace small letter H. This is small letter H. Now let's start tracing kids. Again you have to start from first line. Like this, touch second line, then touch third line. Okay? Now start from here kids. One curve, touch it, then small standing line. You have to touch this line properly. Okay kids? One more time. Start from first line, draw standing line, touch these lines properly. One curve from here, touch second line, then small standing line and touch this line. Okay? Small letter H. Now let's write on dot. Again kids, you have to make one standing line. Touch these lines properly everyone. From here you have to draw one curve, then one small standing line like this. Okay? Start from first line, draw one standing line, touch these lines properly kids. Okay? Now from second line, draw one curve, touch this line, small standing line like this. Okay? One more time kids. Standing line like this, curve from here and small standing line. Now touch this line. One more time kids, look here everyone. Start from first line. You have to draw one standing line, then curve, touch second line, then again small standing line. Okay? Small letter H. Small letter H. Again kids, start from here, draw one standing line, curve, small standing line. Okay? One last time kids. Look here everyone. Start from first line, touch these lines properly. Okay? Standing line, curve, small standing line like this. So kids, this one is capital letter H and this one is small letter H. So kids, like this you have to do pages 23 and 24. Okay, now kids, I am showing you one object related to capital and small letter H. So let's see. Now tell me kids, what is this? This is H for hut. H for hut. This is a hut. This is a hut. Okay? So kids, I hope you all understand this concept, how to make capital and small letter H. Now we will trace and write capital and small letter I. Capital and small letter I. Okay? So everyone, come to page number 28. Come to page number 28. So kids, let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter I. So look here. What is this? This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now tell me, what is this? This is an igloo. This is an igloo. I for igloo. I for igloo. Now let's trace capital letter I. Let's trace capital letter I. So everyone look here. Start from first line. Make one standing line. Like this. You have to touch these lines properly. Okay? One more time kids. Start from first line and draw one standing line. Like this. Kids look here. Start from first line. Touch second line. Then touch third line. Like this you have to make capital letter I. Okay? Now let's write on dot. So look here everyone. Put your pencil here. Draw one standing line. Okay? Again, start from first line. Draw standing line. Touch second line. Then touch third line. Like this. Okay? One more time kids. Start from first line. Draw one standing line again. Like this, you have to touch these lines properly. This is capital letter I. This is capital letter I. Once again, start from first line. Draw standing line. Like this. One more time kids. Again, draw capital letter I. How to draw it? First, we have to start from first line and draw one standing line. Touch these lines properly kids. One last time. Capital letter I. Let's draw it. Start from first line. Draw one standing line. Touch these lines properly. This is capital letter I. This is capital letter I. Now we will trace small letter I. Now we will trace small letter I. This is small letter I. Okay, let's start tracing kids. So kids, you have to start from second line now. Draw small standing line and touch this line like this, and you have to put dot here. Okay? One more time kids. You have to start from second line now. Draw small standing line in between these two lines only. Okay? Then put a dot on it like this. Okay? Now let's start writing it. So kids, now we will write this letter on dot. Okay? So kids, start from second line. Draw small standing line in between these two lines. Then you have to put dot on it like this. Again kids, let's draw small letter I. So kids, you have to start from second line. Draw small standing line in between these two lines only. Then put a dot on it like this. Okay? This is small letter I. Small letter I. One more time. Look here everyone. Start from second line. Draw small standing line like this and put a dot on it. One more time kids. Start from second line. Draw small standing line. Touch third line. Okay? Then put a dot on it like this. You have to start from second line and you have to touch third line. You have to draw one small standing line like this. So kids, you have to write very neatly. Okay? Again, start from here. Draw small standing line in between these two lines. Then a dot on it. One last time kids. Start from here, second line. Okay? Draw small standing line and touch this line. Now put a dot on it like this. This is small letter I. I for igloo. I for igloo. So kids, you have to complete pages 28 and 29 also. Okay, let's see one object related to capital and small letter I. So kids, tell me, what is this? This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Okay kids, I hope you all understood this concept also. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.